and then you have the Z pouch. You have some gold tokens, and then you have some silver. Okay. Then in pouch Y, the ratio of gold is 3 to 1, so this is 3U, this is 1U. Now over here, you cannot use 1U and 4U because you cannot use 1U and 4U here. So you have to use a different letter. So it should be 1P to 4P. You cannot use 1U and 4U here. If you use 1U and 4U here, that means you are talking about they are the same. Yes. They are not the same, okay? So that's why you use 1P and 4P. And now it says pouch Z which is here, 5 times as many tokens. So therefore this total is what? 4U, right? This is 5P, right? So actually they say the pouch Z, which is this one, has 5 times many tokens as this. Or in a way you can actually figure out if this is 4U, right? 5 times of 4U is 20U, right? Does it make sense? So how do you split the 20U to gold and silver? So shouldn't this be?
This be 4U.
Yep. So this one will be 4U. In terms of U, so this one will be 16.
Yes.
Okay. So that's how you start the question. Okay. Then the question should be very simple. Right? What was the ratio of the number of gold? Gold is this one, right? To the number of silver. Silver is here, right? So it's 3 to 16 for part A. Does it make sense? Then it says after 24 gold token, and then it will transfer from Z to Y. So yes, then you start the branch. You start the branch method. So you start the branch method. It says 24 from Z to Y. So it's 24. So 24. So this one will be to Y, right? So therefore this one you you will receive from Z. Okay, so this is 3U plus 24, U plus 24, and 4U minus 24, then this 16U minus 24, right?
Yes.
Left. Okay, so now they say the ratio of the number of gold tokens to the number of silver token in pouch Y is 9 to 5. So basically this is 9, this is 5, right? So 3U plus 24 to U plus 24 is 9 to 5. Okay, what's the meaning of 9 to 5? 9 to 5 means what's the factor here? So actually the factor is actually 1.8 times. Okay? So it means your silver times 1.8 will give you the gold. Does it make sense?
Yes.
So in a way, next time if you get a ratio, you try to think of it like what is the factor. Okay? So let's say it's 3 to 2, the factor is 1.5. Okay? So 2 to 4, the factor is 2. Okay? So actually next time when you get a ratio, right, you don't want to do ratio, you can actually do in factor. So when you have 9 to 5, so that means over here 9 to 5 means this is the silver, right? This is the gold, right? So therefore the silver times 1.8 will give you gold. So the silver is this, you times the 1.8 will give you gold. So now you just solve this, then you get the answer. Does it make sense?
Yes.
So next time when you get a ratio, you just do it in a factor. Okay, so I give you another flavor. 4 to 5, the factor is 1.25. Okay? You can actually use a calculator, 5 divided by 4. Then you see the factor actually is 1.25.
Yes.
So instead of ratio, 你找它的倍数. Right? So I can give you another one. 1 to 3, so it's times 3, right? Yeah. So now it's 5 to 9, so it's times 1.8. That's why I times 1.8 here. So after that, you just solve this equation, and I think it's pretty easy to solve, which I'm not going to solve for you. Okay, we will stop here. So what was the total number of tokens in both pouches Y at first? So once you find U already, you can give the answer already. Does it make sense? Okay, so this is the solution.